Living in Clearwater, Florida, comes with beautiful coastal views and warm weather, but it also means dealing with high humidity levels year-round. Slider windows, known for their ease of use and modern aesthetic, are a popular choice for homeowners in the area. However, the moisture-rich environment can cause issues like mold, condensation, and corrosion if windows are not properly maintained. To keep your slider windows in top condition, here are some essential maintenance tips specifically tailored for Clearwater's humid climate. Clean the tracks and frames regularly. The tracks and frames of your slider windows can easily collect dirt, dust, and moisture, which can lead to mold growth and operational issues. To prevent this, vacuum or wipe the tracks at least once a month to remove debris. Use a damp cloth with mild soap to clean the frames, avoiding harsh chemicals that may damage the finish. Apply a silicone-based lubricant on the tracks to keep the sliding mechanism smooth and prevent sticking due to humidity buildup. By keeping the tracks free of dirt and moisture, you ensure that your windows slide effortlessly and stay in excellent condition for years to come. Prevent and manage condensation. Condensation is a common issue in humid climates like Clearwater, and it can lead to water damage and mold growth. Here's how to minimize it. Ensure proper ventilation by using exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens to reduce indoor moisture levels. Use a dehumidifier to maintain a balanced humidity level inside your home. Wipe down condensation as soon as you notice it to prevent water from seeping into window frames and walls. Install double-pane or low-E glass to improve insulation and reduce temperature fluctuations that cause condensation. By managing condensation effectively, you can prevent mold, mildew, and potential structural damage to your windows and home. Protect against corrosion and rust. The salty air and high humidity in Clearwater can accelerate the corrosion of metal components in your slider windows, such as locks, hinges, and tracks. To protect against this, apply a corrosion-resistant lubricant on metal parts every few months. Check for signs of rust or corrosion, especially after storms or prolonged exposure to moisture. Use stainless steel or rust-resistant hardware when replacing window components. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your windows and ensures they remain secure and functional despite the harsh coastal environment. Inspect and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a crucial role in keeping moisture, heat, and outdoor air from entering your home. Due to high humidity, weather stripping can deteriorate faster in Clearwater's climate. To keep it effective, check the condition of the weather stripping every few months. Replace worn-out or cracked stripping to maintain a tight seal and prevent air leaks. Clean the stripping with mild soap and water to remove dirt and debris that could reduce its effectiveness. Properly maintained weather stripping not only enhances energy efficiency but also protects against excess moisture that can damage your home. Keep glass clean and streak-free. The humid and salty air in Clearwater can cause dirt and residue to build up on window glass, affecting visibility and overall aesthetics. To keep your slider windows clean, Use a vinegar water solution or a mild glass cleaner to remove grime and streaks. Avoid abrasive sponges or cloths that can scratch the glass. Clean the exterior glass regularly, especially if you live near the coast, to remove salt buildup. By keeping your windows clean, you ensure better natural light and an unobstructed view of Clearwater's beautiful scenery. Check for proper sealing and caulking. Over time, window seals and caulking can degrade due to heat, moisture, and exposure to the elements. To prevent leaks and drafts, inspect caulking around the window frames annually for cracks or gaps. Reapply waterproof caulking as needed to reinforce the seal and prevent moisture intrusion. Ensure the glass seals are intact, as broken seals can lead to fogging between panes. By maintaining proper sealing, you enhance insulation, prevent mold growth, and improve energy efficiency. Protect your windows from storm damage. Clearwater is prone to hurricanes and tropical storms, which can cause significant damage to windows. To safeguard your slider windows, install storm shutters or impact-resistant glass to withstand strong winds and flying debris. Remove any loose outdoor furniture before a storm to prevent damage to your windows. Check for any cracks or weaknesses in the frames and glass before hurricane season. Proactive storm preparation can save you from expensive repairs and replacements after extreme weather events. Final thoughts. Long-lasting slider windows in Clearwater's climate. Maintaining your slider windows in Clearwater's humid climate requires regular cleaning, moisture control, and proactive weatherproofing. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure your windows remain functional, energy efficient, and aesthetically pleasing for years to come. If you're considering upgrading your windows or need professional maintenance assistance, contact a trusted window specialist in Clearwater. Taking care of your slider windows today will help you enjoy long-term durability and savings on energy costs.